Now we can move to the next experiment using our turmeric. I am here taking some turmeric powder and going to add some drops of water, pure water. And then I am just going to make it as a paste. Now we get a solution like this. Then we want to take some pieces of paper and want to put this just put this mixture on this paper and let it dry this paper. When you let it dry this, and you can cut it into small pieces and you can use the turmeric strips as an indicator. Now I will show you the experiment using the solution of turmeric. Here I just took some detergent solution here and adding this turmeric solution into this. Now you can see here it turns into red color. This is because this detergent solution is a base. This turn into deep red. You can see this. Now when we add this turmeric solution into vinegar, we have to look what is the result. Here when we add turmeric solution to this vinegar, you can see it is yellow itself. So for these acids, it don't give any color change for these acids and for these neutrals. So we can conclude that by using this turmeric indicator, we just can identify the presence of bases, and for the neutrals and acids, it gives the output as yellow color. And you get it clear with this experiment, and remember this. Here now the paper is dry and it is okay for the experiment. Now you want to cut this. How we can cut? Either you can use the paper cutter or you can use a scissors. First I am showing you how to cut this using a scissors. In the similar way, you can cut it using scissors, or you can cut it using paper cutter. Just put it here and using the cutter, so in this way you can cut these pieces. And now our strips for the experiment is ready. These are the turmeric strips for our experiment. You can check the presence of base using this. And I will show you a simple experiment using this. I just took here the detergent solution, and when I just dip this strip in this, what you can see, the color changed to red. In this way we can check the presence of bases using these strips. I feel like you can see this color of red. So this is all about this experiment. Thank you.